Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share a couple of winnings as well as a small haul. All right, so I am going to start out with Cuddle Me Clay Tay. And of course, her box looks amazing. All I did was just open it. These are the winnings, I do believe. And she has a little card here that says, "Thank you. Congrats on winning. Hope you enjoy all the goodies. Thank you for supporting my channel, Tay, Cuddle Me Clay." And here goes that little card. So cute. All right. Let me jump right in. Look at that purple tissue paper. Just beautiful. She wrapped everything so cute. Nice and neat. All right. Oh, look at that. Looks so beautiful. Look at that. All right. So these are my winnings. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Look at that. It looks so amazing. She layers so nicely. That says happy day. She made a little dangle out of that little flower. I want to know where you got these, Tay. I think she said Lady Cree may have used that. I don't know where to pick those up. That looks so nice. And I think she has some diamond dots on there. Those are my favorite. Look at that little candy right there. Flowers there, a little camera. I mean, you just keep looking and you're finding stuff. Look at the flip-flops there. Oh, so cute. Let's just go ahead and open that so I can share what's in the inside. So, so cute. Oh, look at all those charms there. The little beads and everything that I can make a charm with. Look at the little gummies. Let's see if I can get in there so I can show you a little bit closer. Oh my goodness, look at all this stuff. I am going to start trying to get into making some of the little charms. Look at that pineapple, the little gummies. Oh, I think this is a shell of some sort there. Look at that. Those are so nice. Look at that one. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully I was in frame. All right, so those are those.
Okay, everyone. So I didn't realize when the phone rang it knocked out my sound, but these are the items that I won from Cuddle Me Clay Tay, and I'm just showing those to you there. There goes some diamond dots, and there goes her layering technique, along with that little flower on top. So, so pretty. And then there goes another flower there. And then she also sent some little charms there. And as you see, there's some starfish, seahorse, cameras. Yeah, little pair of shorts. And then Hello Summer, a little drink there, as well as ice cream, starfish, stars, and palm tree. I mean, I love her layering. And of course, you can't forget a flower there. So, so pretty. And so let me just finish cleaning this up, and we'll start into the haul that I purchased from her. So I wanted some roses because I hadn't gotten any of her roses yet. So I went ahead and purchased some from her, and my only thing I wanted mostly were some white ones. So she was able to do that for me, and we're going to get right into this so I can show you how it looks. Oh, I love her flowers. So we got some yellow and lavender ones there. And then she also sent a free little pack of charms there. Love those. There goes the white ones. I'm so excited. So, so pretty. They're absolutely gorgeous. And then these here. And that's it. All right, so next up we'll have another winnings.
Okay, I am back with one more small winnings and a shout out. So this is from RS Nicole 8, if I'm not mistaken. It's RS Nicole 8. So I want to help her grow her channel. So everyone, please, please, please go over to RS Nicole's channel. I'll have her link down below. And make sure you click subscribe. Let's support her in her new found journey. And so I'm so excited for her, and I'm excited about winning. Thank you so much, RS Nicole, for doing this giveaway and for me being one of the recipients. All right, let's jump right in. So here goes this adorably cute card. You are meant, look at that, meant for greatness. I love that. And then she added a little strip of glitter here. And then I want to say this is a little, what do you call it, cutout. And then she put some really pretty paper there. And she was just thanking me for supporting her channel, Raquel. So make sure you all go over and help her grow her channel. All right, and so let's get into this winnings that I won from her channel. And I'm going to keep this paper right here. All right, and there we go. And I don't have any of these. And I do have a lot of embossing folders, but look at that one. That is so cute. It has a little scallops and strips going down. And then we have we have textured impressions embossing folder. And then that's how that looks. And then we also have some numbers, I believe. Shadow numbers. Oh, let's see if I can open that. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, let's see how these look. Oh, so it actually has the shadow right behind it. That is neat. So it gives you can cut it out one swipe, and it cuts out with the shadow behind it. That is really neat. So that's how that looks. All right. Thank you so much again, Nicole. I'm sorry, Raquel. I really, really appreciate it. And so this one is from Creating Life After 60, Joyce. I think I said that right. Here goes the card that she sent in here. Love your fabulous self. And then she's just thanking me for supporting her channel and that she really appreciates it. Anyways, so I won this off of, I want to say her Tonic Tuesday challenge that she's challenged everybody, and I do want to get into that. However, I probably won't do too much crafting because we are getting ready to move shortly, and so I need to pack, and the craft room is the biggest and hardest thing to pack, so I got to get on it. So if you don't see me for a couple months, that is why. Please don't leave because I will be back. All right, Lord willing. Anyway, so this is what I won from Joyce After 60, and what it has in there. And I thought maybe it had the little book that's behind here, so you can make a a mini album. But it just has. Let me just take it out so I can show you. But I like it because I can still use it, and it has the months and the days, I think. Yes, the months and then the days there. And then it has the numbers here along with the like first, second, third, So I thought that was really nice. So I will be using that. I don't know when, and I don't know when I'll be able to get to it, like I said, since we're moving. All right, and the next up, I seen this on somebody's channel. I forgot whose channel it was, but they said that you can buy this at Five Below, and that's just what I did. Ran over to Five Below, and I picked it up. Let me get this thing out of the way. I picked it up, and yeah, I'm so glad I got it. It's for makeup brushes, but of course, I pick up two, and this is what it's used for. And first place I seen it was on Sybil's channel, but I thought since I could get it for just $5, instead of ordering it off Amazon, I went ahead and picked that up. I had gotten sick over the week, and I was thankful it was just a cold. I went and got the COVID test, and it was just a cold. I was so thankful to the Lord that it was just a cold. But next up, let's do reverse confetti. So I purchased this. I cut it out to see how that looks, and it's I don't know if it has the name on the back side. But anyways, they have some really cute samples right now. They have a clearance, and this is at the clearance, I want to say for like $10 maybe, or $11. I'm not for sure. But yeah, guys, pick that up. This I do believe was $10, so it's just a background die, and you all know I love my background dies. Um, I don't see what it is, but anyways, that, and then this was like $3 or something. It's a nice size little popsicle there. All right, and then I purchased from scrapbook.com. There goes the freebie that they sent. Nice little storage. And I purchased this. I want to say this was like $3. It was like half the price of what you can get at Altenew website. So I thought that was really cute. Bitty Bloom 3D die set. So that's what I picked up from there. And then I picked up both of these. I had been eyeballing this tag and that tag. And so I went ahead and picked them up. They're nice sizes, and I really like that. And so that's what I got from scrapbook.com. And next up is My Creative Time. Of course, I'm always on her site. As soon as she releases something, I'm on there. And so these are what I picked up from her. And of course, I rubbed off that when I was cleaning the package. But this is like a popcorn box. These little two pieces, you just inlay them right in there. And there goes the top of the popcorn. She has two different sizes. I bought the smaller one. And then this was my freebie from her. First 25, I got that free. And then I love these big word dies. They have little hearts in them, if you can see that right there. And yeah, these were really cute. I knew I was going to pick those up. And then I have a Lost Design Team haul. When I say lost, it was lost for a while. Matter of fact, the winnings that I got from Joyce, they sat at the post office and they never delivered it to my P.O. box. But on my informed delivery, I seen that it was there and they never put it in. So I had to give them a call. And so they could deliver it to my P.O. box. I was just like, really? But anyways, and then Lost Design Team package from In Love Arts. And so whenever I get to it, I might post, or I'm not for sure. But anyways, I wanted to share what I had picked out. And when I say lost, I ordered this back in February. I want to say February 3rd. And they had contacted me saying, where are your pictures? You know, we want to see your lovely pictures. I'm just like, I never got anything. You know, I'm just like, I never got it. Well, lo and behold, about a week and a half ago, it came, and I was wondering what was getting delivered to my P.O. box. It finally came after all that time. I was just like, really? But anyway, so this is one of the dies that I had, as well as these little toppers here. This Valentine's Day heart set, maybe you can see that there. This one here. And then this one has little raindrops going around. And this little heart circle there. This hexagon. Is it hexagon? This. I got this to put some bees on there. Thought that was really cute, nice and small. This one here. And then as well as this one. And so I think that is it. That's all I want to share. Yeah, but like I said, I'll probably hook this up with a few other videos. And yeah, so you'll check this out as well as the other ones. And like I said, it might be a couple months before I'm back. I got to get over there, set up the craft room, and I want to take my time so it can be a nice little craft room and reorganize stuff. So yeah, it'll take me a little time. So thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.